Hello everyone, my name is Jesse Campbell with Aire Serv of Palatine, and we're at a customer's home today to do fall maintenance, specifically replace a water panel on a whole home humidifier. We're going to show you how to correctly install a water panel on your humidifier, specifically the Aprilaire 700. First things first, you're going to want to turn off the supply to your water. In this unit, it's over here, it's a quarter turn water valve. You're going to want to turn off your power to your furnace. In this case, it's just a light switch right on the side. And you're going to want to unplug the humidifier itself. So on this unit, support the top, there's a clip on the bottom. You just pull out and the face comes off simply like this. So next step, this is our water panel. This is the case around the water panel. Simply pull it straight back towards you. Comes out just as easy as that. We're going to open the case. Simply, there's two tabs, two clips. Just pull out. There's one pop. There's two pop. Just pull up. We're going to remove our water panel. Now you'll notice at the top there's some markings here. That's important. When we go to install our new one, we're going to want to make sure side up. Simply side down. Also, what we're going to want to do, if you notice there's some buildup here, before we put this panel back in, we're going to want to take that to the sink, grab a rag, a brush, and whatnot, and clean that out. So let's just pretend in this case that we've done that. Slide our water panel back down. Same process, only reverse. We're going to slide this in. You're going to hear click. Now we're ready to install. So this is important. You'll notice this little indentation, this canal. This needs to go face in. So it's going to marry with this water supply. So we can simply just do the reverse of when we took it out. Just slides right back in. We're going to take the face. There's two clips here. We're going to do this put it on the top to support it. Just like so. Push in. Hear that click? We're good to go. We're going to plug our unit back in. And we're ready for another furnace season. So your humidifier is good to go. This is Aire Serv of Palatine. You can check us out at aireserv.com/Palatine.